Girl, nobody's gonna know.
They are gonna know.
How would they know?
My thoughts exactly. How would they know?
Hey love, listen, I'm just gonna start off by saying this was not the plan. Every bit of my intention was to do passion twists, but I tried some new hair and it did not work out the way I wanted it to work out. So I was like, you know what? We're not gonna get discouraged. We're gonna be innovative. And so I started braiding all the way down, and baby, out came a hook.
It's the passion braids. Okay, like look at.
Never let life knock you down. Always take a bad thing and I'm talking too much. I'm gonna show y'all the raw footage of where it went wrong and how it turned out well. So you got to have a proper parting comb. I'm going to be using this specific Eco Styling Gel and olive oil. She is Bomb Edge Control and Tame Edge Control. I brought it at my local beauty supply store. I didn't want something that was too hard, but at the same time I didn't want something that was too soft. And again, I'll be using this in combination with She is Bomb. Of course, rubber bands. You want to make sure before you put your rubber bands in your hair, you are moisturizing it. You must do this. That way it doesn't pull and tug on your hair. I'll be using these metal clamps just to make sure my hair is organized and in place. This styling brush, the edge control brush, you already know that's how we get our edges slick. I'm actually not going to be using the typical hair that is used to achieve this style.
That's a setup, bro. That's a setup, bro.
The brand is by Zury Rod Set Hair, and the reason for some of you, you're probably like, why is she using that? Like, why is she trying to be a daredevil or a devil's advocate? It's because I don't want my twists to be thin. I want it to be voluminous. I want it to be thick.
She fit.
No, seriously, I want it to be thick, and so I'm trying something new. We'll see how it works out. Pray for me, y'all. I went ahead and started the back off camera. As you can see, this is how it looks so far. I did some diamond parts, some square parts. So now I am starting the front. Before I start parting the front, I am going to take out my baby hairs automatically.
From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know. From you looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beat alive every time, you know, girl. Why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. Girl and boy, they are lightweight. Don't me gon' love you the right way. Don't girl, it pretty like Barbie. Hey, I'm not talk dirty. Hey, I'ma keep you coming, babe. Won't you keep me coming, babe? I'ma make you mommy, babe. What you want from me, daddy? Hey, why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. And all I want to ask is why me, go cry you, whatever. Wait, what are they?
We don't straighten our hair around her when we're doing protective styles. We take edge control and spread it on the ends to get those ends straight, like perm straight. What?
Watch your mouth when you're talking to me. I show you respect, so you give it to me, oh. Roll up in the low. Girl, I breathe me like GoPro. She want more money, more paper. Then come down to Jamaica. Then let me give you some flavor. Then girl, you sexy and you know that. Yeah, you my ex, you my throwback. Me no want a girl for give me beer back chat. Prefer get a girl for send me beer Snapchat. We can party on a Friday. Why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that.
Alright guys, I am finally after 2 hours. Done partying. And so now we are going to get into styling. I am not sure what method I want to use doing my twists. I've looked at a few videos. I really don't like the braid method. I just don't like how bulky it looks. I have natural hair, so I'm almost sure, because this won't be my first time doing this style. The only thing that's new is type of hair that I'm using, but I'm almost sure that it's just gonna look too bulky with the hair and my hair being in its natural state. So I'm gonna try a few methods and then see which one I like better and come back on camera. Okay, change of plans. We are not doing passengers. We are creating our own hairstyle. Okay, it didn't work out with the hair, so we're creating a look, because we don't get sad when something doesn't work out. We are innovative. We create. It's how the pizza was made. Like, this is not stopping me. You said your girl hair is dry. 4C girls, you know what's going on right now. We are adding moisture. We are adding our Eco Style Gel just so we can blend our hair. So you want to make sure you comb all the knots out, like all of the knots. Perfect. Oh, look at the cute curls. Find the middle. This dog upstairs, I'm sorry y'all, it's constantly barking. I'm a pet lover, by the way, so don't even, but the dog is really always barking. Okay, you want to take your crochet tool, put it underneath, twist it at the middle to make it smaller, put it inside of the hoop, drag it down. Now this is the specific part. Standardly, people take the crochet hair and put it between here and then do that thing. Don't do that. You're only going to pull one side. So let's pull one side. Which side am I pulling? Oh, I'm pulling this side. So let's pull one side. So you should have 2 sides, just like this. Before you split your hair, split the weave in 3. So take a little bit from the left and the right. You're only going to split your hair in 2, not 3, just 2. Take one on the left side, one on the right side. And then organize, make sure you got yourself together before you go down. And just start braiding. Make sure the beginning of the braid is tight and not loose. Now, as you begin braiding down, loosen your braid because we want them thick. Thick. We actually want them to curl up. We want them thick, but neatly thick, if that makes sense. Now we're going to take a rubber band and tie the bottom. Apply some Eco Style Gel to the bottom and then curl it.
Girl, why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. Girl and boy, they are lightweight. Don't make a love you the right way. Don't get it pretty like Barbie. Hey, I'm not talk dirty. Hey, I'ma keep you coming. Babe, won't you keep me coming? Babe, I'ma make you mommy. Babe, what you want from me, daddy? Hey, why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. And all I want to ask is why me, go cry you, whatever. Wait, what are they? Watch your mouth when you're talking to me. I show you respect, so you give it to me, oh. Roll up in the low. Girl, I breathe me like GoPro. She want more money, more paper.
I got demons too. Sometimes they get the best of me. So you can take me to the background, and I'll show you the rest of me.
Really, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed my content, please be sure to leave a thumbs up for this video and consider subscribing if you would like to keep up with your girl.
Watch your mouth when you talking to me. I show you respect, so you give it to me. Roll up in the low. Girl, I breathe me like GoPro. She want more money, more paper.